Hey friends, if you wish to show details pane in File Explorer of Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. See, here's the thing. We have a lot of information here and we need its details. So they should be visible on the right pane, and all we need to do is click on this details button here and it will show the details, but also something has to be selected. Okay. For example, I selected this folder. It shows the details of these folders. Okay, you can click on properties and it will show all the properties. Okay, and then let us say this is an item, a file, so it will show the type of the file, and it will also give you an option to share the file with others. It shows the frame width, frame rate, everything. Actually, earlier what we had to do was right click on it, select show more options, properties, and then details, and the same details are visible here explicitly, which makes our life much easier. Okay, so this is the benefit. Also, you can click on view and show or hide the details pane through the option here, but I prefer to do it from the option on the top right corner of the menu, of the File Explorer menu. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.